Since we partnered with Megaphone, the growth of our community, the engagement and conversion has been exponential. Hi, I'm Anna, the co-founder of Anni. Anni is a health and wellbeing community that connects everyday people with professionals across a range of varying topics such as sexology, nutrition, naturopathy, parenting, fitness, beauty, the list goes on and on. And the whole goal of Anni and creating this community is to give people the support they need when they need it on a time and budget that suits them. Would that be something that I'd be able to do myself on the other side of the fence, so rather than providing the advice, actually getting on and doing it. That combined with the fact that at the time I was really struggling to find professional in the naturopathy space. I was on waiting lists for up to 12 weeks to get into the particular specialist that I needed. And I thought, why is this taking so long? So I thought, wouldn't it be great if you just could get access to people in a completely different way and find health and wellbeing professionals that suit you. Anni's unique offering is around having trusted professionals on the platform that have been vetted and ID checked, which guarantees that you're speaking to a real human being. It also gives you the opportunity as a customer to be able to manage your health and wellbeing in your own way. So you can find and connect with the professionals that you really have a chemistry with and that you can trust and connect within a private virtual environment. One of the other great things about Anni is we do have Ask Anni, and it's a favourite little part of ours which really helps you get matched quickly and easily with the professional of your choosing. So you simply go through a few prompted questions and you'll be shown the best professionals for you, which really again takes the struggle and hassle out of taking control of your health and wellbeing advice and support. One of the main things that we identified in the market gap was definitely around misinformation. People are following TikTok trends, the rise of AI, Dr. Google, people trying to get the answers that they need, some of which are from qualified people that know what they're talking about, but others that can be really dangerous and harmful. So that was a definite gap. Alongside that, there's obviously waiting lists, people trying to find the professional that they need and when they need it, and needing that immediate help and support, which is actually becoming more and more challenging. The great thing about Anni is that in under 5 minutes, you can be connected with the professional that can help you solve the problem that's concerning you of the day. And in as little as 15 minutes, you could be having a call with someone. We knew one of the main success factors for Anni is going to be around the marketing, communications and the brand and how we put that together. And we've been really clear on that from the very start that strong marketing partnerships are going to be really critical. We looked far and wide and we settled on putting together 3 organisations into a competitive arena to pitch their services, and Megaphone came out far and away ahead of the rest. And what we really liked about Megaphone is firstly was the great cultural fit, so there was definitely alignment for us. So if I was to tell a friend of mine about my experience with Megaphone, I'd say number one, they're incredibly knowledgeable about marketing and in particular performance marketing. They're really hands-on, they're really proactive, they have so much knowledge, and if they don't have the knowledge themselves, there is definitely someone else in the organisation that will, and they get back really quickly with that information to keep things moving along. They're really open to feedback and really open to collaborating. They're also really fun and funny. It's always hilarious to connect each week and not only reflect on the great performance results, but to have a really good engagement and connection. And they're really professional, young, modern, fresh thinking. And I think that's the best part, is for us, they see Anni's success as their success, which is great. One of the key things in strategy with Megaphone has been the creative testing. And I probably didn't realise how valuable that would be in our journey. What we have found is using the smarts that Megaphone apply to that creative testing across things like user-generated content, ads themselves, emails, landing pages, is that it really has helped us start to shape the Anni service offering. We can learn and find out what's resonating with a really large audience of people in a really quick, cost-effective manner, and we can use those insights to inform other areas of the business, and that's not to be undervalued as to how important that is, particularly as a startup, and being able to get that insight in a really quick fashion. Ellie and Rani's hands-on approach and their dedication to the success of Anni has not only made the process seamless and effective, but also joyful and fun to see the outcomes. They're both super lovely, kind, compassionate, proactive, great to work with. If they don't know the answer to something, they're like, I'm going to learn, I'm going to find out, I'm going to go and get that for you. Having said that, they know the answer to pretty much everything, but I just love the proactive, caring nature. The other thing I love is that they're really open to our big ideas and give us the right advice that we need, but also really grab those ideas and go with us on them and help us bring them to life, which is fantastic. And they love Anni, and that's really important to us. At Anni, we're most excited and really passionate about having this service available to everyone, everywhere. We definitely want to go global, and that's next on our horizon. We've got lots of hopes and dreams and aspirations for Anni. Like the main things that are coming up in the near future are we're looking to introduce packages. So Anni's not just about virtual consultations, but able to, plan and prescribe. On a personal level, it's just going to be so exciting to see that this is a safe space where everyone can come and get the advice that they need. No more awkward questions, no more hiding health and wellbeing concerns. The people on the platform are trusted professionals, and really being there for people when they need it most is what Anni's all about. We knew that performance marketing in particular was going to be a place that we really needed to start. We really need to start early, ahead of some of the other marketing initiatives. So working with Megaphone has been a transformative experience for Anni, and the best part is that we're seeing a significant amount of growth and engagement across the Anni brand and experience.